Good afternoon. Myself Lalit Mohan, and my topic is control structures. So, what is control structures? So, control structures in C language means to handle the programming structure. Okay. So, in programming language, we cannot jump the statements from within the main function to outside the main function. Okay. So, if we want to jump a control from within the main function to outside the main function, we are using a topic called functions. But within the structure only, if we want to jump from one place to another place, we are having a control structures. Using these control structures, we can move a control from one location to another location. Okay. So these control structures can be classified into three types. So first one is conditional. Second one is looping. Third one is unconditional. Again, conditional statements can be classified into five types. Okay. So first one is simple if. Second one is if else. Third one is nested if. And ladder else if. And switch case. So these all things comes under conditional statements. Okay. So what is conditional statements means using this condition, I will jump from one location to another location. I am going to give a condition. If condition is true, then only below statement will be executed. If condition is false, it will jump from one location to another location, or it will exit from the statement. Okay. So loopings will be classified into three types: while loop, do while, and for loop. Okay. So unconditional can be classified into two types: go to and continue. Okay. So first we are going to start from simple if. Okay. So what is simple if means? If condition is true, then only below statement will be executed. If condition is false, it will be terminated. Okay. Syntax. So syntax of simple if is if condition. Okay. Statement. If condition is true, then only this statement will be executed. We can draw flow chart also. Flow chart. If condition. If condition is true, then only this below statement will be executed. If condition is false in if statement, it will be terminated, or we can call it as exit. If else. Second one is if else. If else, if we are giving a condition. If condition is true, then only below statement will be executed. Else, statement 2 is executed. This is statement 1, statement 2. In if else condition, we can give two statements. If this condition is true, then only statement 1 will be executed. Else, statement 2 will be executed. Okay. So we can draw a flowchart also for this. So this is a syntax for if else flowchart. So if condition true, it will execute statement 1. If it is false, it will execute statement 2. Third one is nested if. So what do you mean by nested if? So if you are going to use multiple if statements, then it is called as a nested if. So in nested if, okay, you can write a syntax: if condition, okay, again if condition, okay, statement 1 else statement 2. Else if condition, condition, again if condition, statement 3 else statement 4. So this is nested if. In nested if statement, if condition is true, then only it will enter into another condition to check whether it is true or not. If this condition is true, it will check this condition also. If this first condition itself is false, then it is going to jump from this here to else part. Okay, so we know that if else is what? If condition is true, then only below statement. If this condition is false, it has to go to else part. So this first if condition else part is this one. So if first condition is false, then it will go to else part and it will execute if condition. If first condition itself is true, then it is going for second condition. So if this second condition is also true, then it will execute statement 1 else statement 2. So this second condition is true, it will execute this statement 1 else statement 2. Okay, if this first condition itself is false, it will go to else part and it will execute if condition. If this if condition is true, then it will check this condition. If this condition is also true, it will execute statement 3. Okay, so here this condition is true, but this condition is false. If this condition is false, it will go to else part and it will execute the statement 4. So altogether, how many statements we are having? 4 statements. In these 4 statements, any one statement it is going to execute based on the condition. Next is ladder else if. Okay, so next topic I am going to continue in next class.